There's a few things we know we'd really like to look at. Probably the main one, at least in terms of conflict, is how wolves are using the landscape. Those are really designed spread out in a uniform way to pick up not just wolves, but their competition and their prey species going by there. So we can answer a lot of different questions covering a huge unit of area at the same time. Are they feeding on natural foods, or is there also some non-natural foods? We'd also like to look at some genetic work to just, look at relatedness between different packs. Also interested in our population estimate.